Okay, so we're here at on a vacant home site. We're going to get ready to measure. John and I are going to get ready to measure the gross measurements, length and width of a vacant home site. There's a few things I want John to point out that are very critical before we begin. First, I'm going to panoramic around here just to give you the lay of the land. So you can see here clearly we've got a nice vacant home site. And John, tell us, what are the first steps here?
First thing we're going to do, we have our vacant site checklist. I'm going to start with measurements from the house or the existing structure on the left across to the existing structure on the right. I'm going to do a measurement at the front as well as the rear just to make sure the houses are parallel, and if they're not, we're going to go with the shortest measurement from home to structure, structure to structure. Then we're going to start at the rear, which if you can show that house in the back, Patrick, the off-white yellow house.
Yep.
We're going to go off the closest corner by the downspout towards us, and we're going to pull a measurement from there to the street. And then if you look over to the right-hand side, you're going to see some utilities. We're going to try to pull a measurement from the closest utility to the street so we know how far back we can set our house without going over any utility easements.
So you like to take double width measurements.
Correct.
A measurement in the width towards the front of the home site, and then also a width in the back. Why is that?
9 times out of 10, you're not going to have the same measurements. It's either going to be tighter at the front or tighter towards the rear of the existing homes, and you always want to go off your shortest measurement, and then we'll subtract our setbacks later on, and then we'll be able to tell the sales or the manager exactly what the buildable left to right, front to back is on this vacant lot.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, so a lot of times we have like pie-shaped lots that look like rectangles, but they're actually, the width is shorter in the back than it is the front. So don't just always go off of your front curb measurement for a width. Spend the extra time taking double measurements, one towards the front, one towards the back on the width. And then the length is also critical, that we do 2 measurements. One length measurement towards the left side of the lot from the curb to the back, and one from towards the right side of the lot from the curb to the back. That way you truly get a grip as to the gross measurement, the maximum full length and width of the home site. And then, like John said, we're gonna in the next part, we're going to show you how to introduce those setbacks so that we can zero in on the actual buildable space on that vacant home site. We cover?
Yeah, let's pull some measurements.
All right.